Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm working with day 5 hair and I'm going to do a cute style for you guys today. Starting with my amazing dry shampoo, some rubber bands, a teasing comb, and some bobby pins. Maybe an Invisibobble too. First, I'm going to start by shaking my dry shampoo and spraying it on everywhere I feel like I need that fresh washed look on the crown and the sides of my head. The best part is you gotta wait while it's absorbing all the oils. We're waiting some more. A little bit more. You gotta wait till you don't have that cold, tingly feeling on your scalp. Alright, I think now is a good time to go. Just running my fingers through it to get rid of all of the white spray. Look at that fabulous first day hair. I'm going to grab 2 bobby pins to securely fasten the front part of my hair. I'm going to section it off with the comb that I have. And again, just the top portion of my hair. I think I grabbed a little bit too much, so I'm going to part it in half. Then I need to comb out the back side. I'm going to secure it with 1 bobby pin on one side and the second one on the other. Just to give me some volume at the front. Now, I'm going to open this new pack of rubber bands. And these I just bought out. Either Walmart or Walgreens. Any local drugstore should have them. Hold on, I'm trying to get this open. It's not working. I think it's adult proof. You cannot get it open. Tamper proof, I guess. Let's try the comb. Nope, not working. Oh, I had a pin right next to me. I'm going to use that. There we go. Finally got it open. Alright, so I'm going to grab one of the mini black rubber bands. I'm going to go ahead and section a few small pieces of my hair as if I were going to braid it. I am not very good at braiding my own hair, so this is a good alternative for me. I'm going to keep both sides of my hair separate, and you'll see why in a minute. Now I'm going to secure that hair with a rubber band. I wrap it around 4 times just to make sure it's secure. I'm going to pull it through, make a hole, and push my hair through the opposite way. If you remember Topsy Tail when you were little, that's exactly what I just did. Alright, so I'm going to bring the rest of that hair forward and repeat that same process. Grab the 2 sides, And then I'm going to pull through that front piece that I had sectioned off from the first ponytail I made. There's another rubber band. Just wrap it around as many times as you need to make it feel secure. Make a hole and just pull it through, then tighten. How's it looking? What do you think? On to the third one. Taking a few more rubber bands. I have 3. I think that'll be enough to finish this look. Pull it forward. Get small sections of your hair. Keep them separated. So much hair. Pull the front through. Grab your rubber band and secure it. Make your hole and push it through. How's it look, guys? It's a little bit hard to see. My hair's dark right now. Number 4. Pull it forward. Make 2 sections again. Pull the top through. And secure it. Alright, so with this last one, I'm going to secure the ponytail and the rest of my hair onto the bottom. There we go. One more thing. I'm going to pull out some pieces from the front of my hair as well as from the hair ties just to loosen it and give it a little bit more volume wherever I need it. Make sure you post your pictures of this tutorial in my comments. You can always finish with some hairspray or some oil on the sides. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.